In this video, we'll show you how to balance your PixyO gimbal, quick, easy, and smooth. Begin by placing the camera onto the tilt cage. Use one M3 screw to temporarily secure the camera to the gimbal. Next, connect the power and camera control cables to the AUX port on the tilt axis. Then, plug the other ends into the AUX port, Ethernet port, and power port on the back of the camera. Tighten the top cage clamp to hold it securely in place. Align the G port with the red dot on the SKY port, insert, then rotate clockwise to the lock icon. Check it's securely locked. To tilt balance, loosen the screw underneath the camera cage and the knob on the top bar. Gently slide the camera forward or backward. Stop when the tilt axis stays level on its own. Then tighten both the screw and the knob to lock it in place. Next, also tilt balance but up vertical side, rotate the tilt axis until the camera points straight downward. Loosen the vertical adjustment screw. Carefully slide the camera mount crossbar forward or backward until the camera stays pointing upward when released. Tighten the screw to lock the position. Now recheck the front to back tilt balance. Make any final adjustments to ensure the tilt axis stays level. When tilt is properly balanced, the camera will hold any position you rotate it to. After completing the tilt balance, you'll secure the camera fully with all 4 screws. Next, about roll balance. Loosen the screw underneath the roll bar. Slide the roll bar left or right until the roll axis remains level. Tighten the thumb screw to lock it in place. Finally, about pan balance. To balance the pan axis, tilt the gimbal about 20 degrees from vertical. If it swings forward or back, it's off balance. Loosen the 4 pan axis screws. Slide the pan slider forward or backward until the gimbal stays still when released. Tighten all 4 screws to secure the pan position. Your PixyO is now fully balanced and ready for smooth, stable operation. Thanks for watching.